Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. So yeah, I'm your host, P. Fry, aka Perfectly Sunny Day, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Let's get straight into it. You know how we do it. We're gonna go around, come back in, and we're gonna get it like we're gonna get it. Let's do it. I'm coming around. What it do, what it don't. Let me give you close up. You know how we do. Little close up, little twirlage, little twirly. Give you a little, you know what I mean? Can you see what we got here? Can you see what it is yet? Alright guys, today we have this Supreme Stone Island cotton ripstop ice jacket camouflage. Let me give you a little cheeky lookage at the old thing right there. Can we see? Can we see? We can see. Sorry, the sun is shining. Weather is sweet. Alright, look. So that's what we got today. We're gonna get into it like we're getting into it for TV. Alright, let's do this. Alright people, you see this is a camouflage, grey, black, blue, whatever you want to call it. Kind of like your navy camo rather than your army camo. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is based on the Stone Island ice camo jacket from I think 89, but I'm gonna say 89, 90. So yeah, from that time, and this is based on that. You see you've got that nice little fit. Let's get into it. Where we start as we always do. We start at the length. So this is a large, but they come up kind of big. So really, ideally, my size would be a medium. But because of the boxy fit on these, I'm really loving the large, to be honest. So I'm glad that I got a large. So yeah, let's go to the waist. So there's my waist right there. This comes quite a bit down from the waist, as you can see. Let me just give you that little thing there. There's my waist, and there's the length of the jacket. Let's go to the old famous coffages. You know we like a little coffage when we're coffages. And what is it? Equilibrium, c'est une belle thing. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing. Alright, cool. So on the coffages you have two gradients that you can do it on, as you can see. So you can go there for a little bit of tape, or you can go there, for a little bit more tape. Again, it's not really tapering, but it's giving you a nice little taper. And of course, equilibrium is a beautiful thing, so I'm going to do the same on this side, and we gon' see. So yeah, so you got a bit of, you know, roumage for your handages there, and yeah, equilibrium c'est une belle thing. On the old rivets, nothing there, just a normal rivet. Yeah, okay, so of course I know the eagle-eyed amongst you have noticed these beautiful buttons encased with rubber surroundings, shall we say. So this is based on the old style, like I said, the old style ice jackets from Stone Island, where they had these rubber outer rings and these rivets here. So yeah, based on that, as you can see, you've got a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 5. You have 5, a set of 5 going all the way down there. I'm just going to button them up so you can see what it looks like once buttoned up. Okay, bear with me. Buttons. We're doing the buttons, guys. You can hear the sound, the sun's out, everyone's out and about, the cars are revving? Yeah, the cars are revving, the motorcycles are speeding. It's a beautiful day, guys. Okay, so look, there we do. Done up, lovely. Hands in the skyrocket, of course. Got my hands in my skyrocket, walking down the street. That's not how it goes. It goes, said I'm walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. Perfect for that. Let me give you a little twirl, RJ. Little twirl to the RJ. Look at that. I'm loving the cut on this, I'm not gonna lie. Super dope cut. Yeah, really nice. Now this is an ice camo jacket. Now for those of you who don't know what that means, this means this is a heat reactive jacket. So it's a special process, doesn't have a special process badge, but it is a special process. So let me see if I can, oh, I've got a bottle of water. Let me see if my bottle of water, okay, let's just see if it's cool enough to make any difference. I don't think it is. I'll have to film this separately and show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's get to the collars. Some nice wide collars right there. Goes all the way up to the base of the neck, not the roof of the neck. I'll just give you a little toilage there. Really, really dope. Of course, as I mentioned before, you've got the normal Stone Island badge, so you don't have a special process, you don't have a shadow project, you don't have a dust, you just have a normal Stone Island badge. Really, really dope. Now, you have one pocket, two pocket, left hand side, right hand side. You got the pockets, you got your spare little rivet bits in there, as you do on accoutrements. We need them, they don't need us. Okay, let me just open this up so we can also see. Okay, right here you have the old literature right there, which tells you what it's all about. I'm hoping you're catching that because it is sunny. So you've got the Stone Island cotton ripstop ice jacket camouflage. Really, really dope. When you open it up, of course, let's show you the inside. Of course, so there's the inside. You got your labels, of course, that new Certi logo there. For those of you that recognize, we've got a new Certi logo, slightly different, smaller, you know, boom, showing you it is official and legitimate. Okay, you've got your size tag there, large. Of course, on the back, we haven't finished here. What do we have here? We have Stone Island Supreme. Let's see if we can pick that up. There you go. We've got the Stone Island Supreme right there, and that is embroidered, and you got the compass right there, as you can see, nicely embroidered. Really, really nice. Now, before I go any further, I want to shout out my guy Art Daily, aka Papa Dells on Instagram. My guy managed to hook me up. I did want the white originally, but that's fine. I'm not gonna lie, now I've got the black, I'm like, yes, the black is definitely the color that I'm loving. I wanted the white for the simple fact that that's an original color, obviously, so I was trying to get for that, but the fact that I got this, I ain't even complaining. So shout out Papa Dells, my guy, fly shit only, check him out, Papa Dells. I'll put his stuff right there, and yeah, check him out on Instagram. But yeah, mad love to you, my bro, thank you. As you can see, I'm dripping it, I'm flying it, you know how we do, mad love. So yeah, that's really that, man, you get me? We got a little Supreme Stone Island ice camo camouflage jacket, aping back to the early days of Stone Island, when they were doing some amazing stuff, you know, when Massimo Osti was at the helm and he was just, you know, bringing his idea and his dream to life. You know, these was the early days, and this is based on that, so you can't really go wrong, can you? All right, guys, that was that, man. I hope you love what you've seen, and I hope you've seen what you love. Today I have on some Stone Island tracky bottoms, and I've got on these Nike Air Max 1 Pompidours, the white version. So super dope, super fly, you know how we do. Guys, it's been a while. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. The sun is out, you guys are beautiful as always. You know, I'm itching and aching to do this, and I'm back with a full force. I got a lot of good stuff coming, so guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share. You know how we do. You guys are the MVP. I'm of course a little bit rusty, but I'm also MVP. So you're MVP and I'm MVP. Guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. We've got this Stone Island Cordura ripstop camo ice camo jacket. Yeah, it's dope. You guys are fly, you guys are dope. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. That's been once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into ZN. And as always, guys, stay fly, stay dope, and don't let the bed bugs bite. Peace.